guys, welcome to the Happy and Dandy Show. I'm Happy, and today I'm going to show you how to make a thick, fluffy slime. So first we're going to start off with the glue, which is the base, and it's very important, if that's not obvious enough. Now I will add a bit of lotion to make it a little bit stretchy. Now I'm going to add some shaving cream to make it airy and fluffy. Now I'm going to add a couple pumps of hand soap just to make it extra fluffy. Now I'm going to add a dash of baby oil so it can be really shiny. Now I'm going to stir it up and put in my activator. Now I'm going to knead it, and I did overactivate it, so now I'm going to go to the bathroom and get some hot water. And make sure it's like not boiling, but it should be pretty hot, and soak your slime in it until it looks like this. And you can take it out and start kneading it again. And you have to do that 3 or 4 times just so it gets perfect. So now I have my desired texture, and I decided, because I added hot water, that it was not thick enough for me, at least. So I'm going to get some cornstarch and pour some out. And it's so satisfying rubbing it on slime. It just feels so cool. Okay, so I'm reading that, but thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe on what you want to see next. And make sure to go follow my slime account at all types of slime with periods in between. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and comment what you guys want to see next and what I should fix on the slime videos. Thanks. Peace.